Hello and welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to understand how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for lead qualification in real estate business. So as a owner of a real estate business, I receive a lot of inquiries from my leads on my WhatsApp number. And now here I instantly wish to reply to these queries using a WhatsApp chatbot. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to build a WhatsApp chatbot using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So to learn more about this chatbot in detail, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to use a WhatsApp chatbot to qualify real estate leads automatically. It's a smart way to respond instantly, gather key details and focus on serious buyers without manual effort. Alright, so as you all know that as a real estate business owner, I receive many inquiries every day from people interested in buying or renting properties. So now manually following up with each lead takes a lot of time and effort, and sometimes I miss out on serious buyers. So by using a WhatsApp chatbot for lead qualification, I can instantly respond to the every inquiry, ask the right questions like budget, preferred location and the property type, and automatically collect the answers. This helps me identify high quality leads faster, keep potential clients engaged and focus my time on those who are more likely to close the deal. Alright, so here on my screen you can see the chatbot that I've already created for my lead qualification in real estate business using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this amazing chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. But here before moving forward with the building process, we are going to see the working of this amazing chatbot that I've already built using Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so now here to see the working of this amazing chatbot, let me all take you to my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp account and this is my WhatsApp number that I've connected with my Pabbly Chatflow account. So here let's suppose that I'm a lead and I'm going to drop a text over here to this chat as, hey, I want to rent out a property. And it says, hi there, welcome to Urban Nest Realty. I'm Nestbot here to help you find the right property, whether you are buying or renting. How can I assist you today? And here we have received 3 quick reply buttons such as buy a property, rent a property and contact agent. So let's click on this rent a property. And it says, got it, let's find a place you will love to rent. Please answer a few quick questions. So for that I'm going to select yes. And then it says preferred location or area. So let's enter the area as Thane, Mumbai. Type of property, apartment, villa or plot. So I'm going to select property type as apartment over here. And it says I will check matching listings and get back to you right away. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot that I've built using Pabbly Chatflow. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this amazing chatbot by using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here to access the Pabbly Chatflow, you have to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so here on my screen you can see the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow, and here you can see 2 options, that are sign in and sign up free. So if you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to build a WhatsApp chatbot for my business, I'm going to use Pabbly Chatflow. And here to access the Pabbly Chatflow, I'm going to click on this access now. Alright, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and now here you might be thinking that what is basically Pabbly Chatflow. So let me give a brief about it. Pabbly Chatflow is a tool that helps businesses create automated chatbots for their website and apps. It's like having a virtual assistant that can chat with visitors, answer questions and guide them to take actions like making a purchase or signing up. Alright, so this was a brief about Pabbly Chatflow, and now here if you wish to learn that how you can set up your Pabbly Chatflow account step by step, then you can check out the video that is available in the description box, and also you can see that video on our YouTube channel and on our landing page as well. Alright, so now here I'm going to give a brief that how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. So here to add the WhatsApp number, you need to click on this add WhatsApp number button given on the top right corner, and here you can see we have received 2 options such as WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. Connect. So here you can see the preferred method is WhatsApp Connect. And if you wish to learn these steps that how you can set up your Pabbly Chatflow account using this WhatsApp Connect, then you can find the video link of the same in the description box below, and also you can check out the video uploaded on our YouTube channel. And if you want to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account using manual token connect, then you need to click on this manual token connect, and then it is going to ask for the Meta access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So basically here to get all these details, you need to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account using Meta for developers, and from there you need to get the permanent access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. And once you're going to add all these details and press the next, then you are good to go. Alright, so these were the steps to how to add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. And now here you can see some amazing features that Pabbly Chatflow offers that are available in the left sidebar. So here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can check out the video dedicated to each of the feature on our YouTube channel and on our landing page as well. Alright, so here I'm going to give an overview of features. So let's start with inbox. So by using this particular feature, you can see the entire charts of your WhatsApp number at one place. Then comes the contact. So by using this particular feature, you can create or manage the contact list for your WhatsApp number. Then comes the team queues. So by using this particular feature, you can see all your team members and the status of the chat assigned to that team member. Then comes the templates. So by using this particular feature, you can create or manage your templates list for your WhatsApp account. And then comes the broadcast. So by using this particular feature, you can create, send and schedule your WhatsApp messages using broadcast messaging. Then comes the flow. So by using this particular feature, you can create WhatsApp chatbots for your business. Then comes the AI assistant. So by using this particular feature, you can build an AI assistant for your business. Then comes the settings, and here in the settings you can see some amazing features as well. So here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can check out the videos dedicated to each of the feature. Then comes the get help option. So by using this particular feature, you can get a response for all your queries regarding Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so this was the overview of all the features, and now here to build a new WhatsApp chatbot for my business, I'm going to use a feature by Pabbly Chatflow, that is flows given over here. And now here in this flow builder, you can see all the existing flows that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow till now. And now here to create a new WhatsApp chatbot, I need to create a new flow. So for that, I'm going to click on this add flow button given on the top right corner. And now here I'm going to give a name to my flow first, that is WhatsApp chatbot for lead qualification in real estate business. Alright, so now you have to giving a name to my flow. It is asking me to set up the flow start. So I need to set up the flow start, that means trigger for this WhatsApp chatbot. So here you can see you can set up the trigger as keywords, regex or template. So here if you wish to trigger your WhatsApp chatbot through a template, then you can simply select your template from the template library. Or here if you wish to add the keywords, then you can add the keywords as the trigger type, meaning the chatbot will activate when a user's message contains specific words. So here we can add a keyword like hey. So this is a very basic keyword that a customer can send. So I'm going to type a keyword first, and then I'm going to press an enter to make it a valid keyword. Alright, so now after adding the keywords, let's move towards the regex. So here it says enter the regex to match substring trigger and enable the toggle for case sensitive regex. So here in this case, people type messages in different ways. One person might say I want to rent a property, while another might write I'm interested in a property. So instead of listing every possible variation, we can use regex, that are regular expressions, to create a smarter trigger. Alright, so I'm going to use a basic regex pattern, meaning the chatbot will detect common inquiry words regardless of variations or capitalization. And once the chatbot is triggered, it moves to the next step. So here it is not mandatory to enable the toggle while entering the regex, but here you need to enable the toggle for each sensitive regex only. Alright, so now you have to setting up my trigger, that means the flow start for this WhatsApp chatbot. Let's move to the next step. So now after triggering my WhatsApp chatbot, I'm going to send a hello text to my leads, and for that I'm going to add a text box first over here. And here I'm going to enter the text as hi there, welcome to Urban Nest Realty. I'm a nest bot here to help you find the right property whether you're buying or renting. How can I assist you today? So here you can see I have used asterisk before my brand name. That is because I wanted wanted this text to be bold. So that's why I've used asterisk over here. That is the text format. And after that, I'm going to add quick replies button over here with this text box. So here I'm going to add the text as buy a property, rent a property, and contact agent. So here I've added some relevant keywords as a quick reply button over here. And now here I'm going to set up this WhatsApp chatbot further for these quick replies button. So let's start with buy a property. So if my lead selects the option of buy a property, then automatically I want to ask a lead some questions. So for that, I'm going to click on this action type notes first, and from here I'm going to select ask a question message box over here. And here after adding this ask a question message box, I'm going to enter the text as exciting, let's help you to buy your dream home. Please answer few quick questions. What's your budget? So firstly I'm going to ask about the budget, and then it is asking me to select the contact custom field. So here I've already created my contact custom fields for the budget, and now here you might be thinking that what is this contact custom field? So here to learn about this contact custom field in detail, you can check out the video dedicated to this specific feature. And here let me tell you that from where you can access this contact custom field. So for that you need to click on this settings, and then you'll be able to see an option of contact custom fields over here. Alright, so now moving back, and here I'm going to select my contact custom field that I've already created with the name budget. And here after selecting my contact custom field, it is asking me to select the format. So here I'm going to select the format as text, because here my lead can answer the budget in text as well. And here by using this particular format, it is going to capture the numbers plus text as well. So that's why I've used this text format over here. And then here it is asking me for the number of attempts. So I'm going to add the number of attempt as 1, and then it is asking me to enter the validation error message. So it is not required to enter the validation error message, so I'm going to leave it blank. And now I'm going to connect this buy a property quick reply button to this message box. And once my customer is going to reply with the budget, I want to ask few more questions from the customer. So for that I'm going to add another ask a question message box, and here I'm going to enter the text as preferred location or area. So here I'm going to ask about the location, and again I'm going to select my contact custom field as address over here. And here for the format, I'm going to select the format as text, because usually my leads reply the location or the area in the text format only. And again I'm going to select the number of attempt as 1, and I'm going to leave this validation error message as blank. And now I'm going to connect my previous question message box to this question message box. And now after asking about the location, I'm going to ask a next question to my customer, and for that I'm going to add ask a question message box over here. And here I'm going to add the question as type of property, apartment, villa, plot, or etc. So again I'm going to select my contact custom field as property type selected, and for the format I'm going to select text over here. Now after adding this question message box, I'm going to connect my previous message box to this new question message box. And once my customer is going to reply with the type of property he or she wants, then automatically I want to send a simple text to my lead, that is I will check matching listing and get back to you right away. So with this we have successfully set up the entire WhatsApp chatbot for this quick reply button, that is buy a property. So let's move to the another quick reply button, that is rent a property. So I'm going to enter the text box for this quick reply button, and for that I'm going to add a text box over here. And here I'm going to enter the text as got it, let's find a place you will love to rent, please answer a few questions. And here in this message box I'm going to give a choice to my lead to select whether he or she wants to reply to these questions or not. So for that I'm going to add quick replies button over here, and here I'm going to add the text as yes, and here I'm going to add the text as no. Alright, so now after adding these quick reply button, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to connect this yes quick reply button to the second question box, that is where it is asking for the preferred location or area. Because here for the rental property, basically I want to know about the preferred location and the area and the type of property my customer or lead is interested in. Alright, so for that I've connected this quick reply button with this flow, and then we are left with the no option. So for now we are going to leave it blank, and now let's move back to the last quick reply button that we are left with is of contact agent. So for that I'm going to add another question box over here. So for that I'm going to add another question box over here, and here I'm going to add the text as sure, one of our expert agents will contact you shortly, please share your name. So I'm going to select my contact custom field as full name over here, and I'm going to select the format as text, and we are done. And now I'm going to connect this quick reply button to this question message box, and once my lead is going to reply with the name, then I want to send a text to my lead. So for that I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as Thanks for sharing the details. Our team will reach out shortly. Alright, so with this, we have successfully set up the chatbot for this quick reply button as well. And now here I'm going to connect this no quick reply button to this message box so that directly my agent can connect with that lead. Alright, so let's do a proper formatting for the flow so that you can understand the entire flow very easily. And now here after creating a short and simple chatbot for a lead qualification in real estate business, I'm going to click on this save to save this workflow. And it says flow updated successfully. That means we have successfully saved the flow that we have created for our WhatsApp chatbot for lead qualification in real estate business using Pabbly Chatflow. And now after building a WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to see the working of this amazing chatbot. And for that, let me all take you back to my WhatsApp. And now I'm going to clear this chat over here to start it from the scratch. And here let's suppose that again I'm a lead, and here I'm going to drop a text as, hey, I want to buy a property. And here you can see we have received a same message again that says, hi there, welcome to Urban Nest Realty. I'm a Nest bot here to help you find the right property, whether you're buying or renting. How can I assist you today? And here you can see we have received 3 quick replies button that are buy a property, rent a property, and contact agent. And now whenever your lead is going to select any of the quick reply button, then automatically this chatbot is going to run. Alright, so with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot as well. So now here let me summarize the entire chatbot that I've created over here using Pabbly Chatflow. So here we have selected a flow start, that means trigger for the WhatsApp chatbot as keywords and the regex, and then we have added a hello or a welcome message for our lead with a quick reply buttons of buy a property, rent a property, and contact agent. And then further we have set up the WhatsApp chatbots for each of the quick reply button by adding some question message boxes where we have selected some contact custom fields as per the questions. Alright, and then we have ended the entire chatbot with a small messages. Alright, and then similarly we have set up the chatbot for each of the quick reply button, that is rent a property and contact a agent. Alright, so this was all about the chatbot that we just right now created using Pabbly Chatflow for lead qualification real estate business. And now you have to giving a brief about what we have created today. Let me all show you the amazing feature of a Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, available in the left side bar. And here in the inbox you can see all the existing chats of your WhatsApp number, and not only this, you can see the entire chat between your WhatsApp chatbot and your customer or lead. And also you can see the status of the message as sent, delivered, or read. And not only this, you can also see your customer or lead detail available in the right side panel. Alright, so let's move back to the flows. And now here, if you wish to learn about some amazing chatbots in future, then you need to stay tuned on our YouTube channel for the same. And now if you have any doubt related to this chatbot or any other chatbot or a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, then you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. That's all for this video. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.